20 years ago, Dentis was founded based on a deep understanding of the essence of implants, metal. In our pursuit of this essence, we have walked the path of building a stronger foundation and structure. The constant questioning of the essence has kept us focused. And each product we create is meticulously designed to stay true to its original purpose and function. Dentis has remained true to its essence while constantly creating new history. In March 2005, Dentis took its first step and, in February 2006, introduced the dental implant Clinician-centered, officially entering the dental market. Starting with the establishment of the Seoul sales headquarters, we quickly built a strong presence in the domestic dental market. Since entering the global market in earnest by establishing a U.S. corporation, Dentis has established 8 local corporations in China, Spain, Portugal, Malaysia, India, Thailand, and Vietnam, and has expanded its global network by cooperating with partners in over 80 countries. Through continuous efforts in research and development, we not only advanced implants, but also developed the dental LED treatment light, Luvis Light. Continuing our innovation, Dentis won the IR52 Jiang Yongsil Award for the first time in dental industry, and were recognized for our achievements with various awards, including the Design Technology Innovation Award, Next Generation World Class Product Selection, and New Technology Certification. Dentis introduced several groundbreaking products, including the dental bone graft material Ovis, the dental 3D printer Zenith, and the digital clear aligner Seraphim. With these achievements, Dentis' brand power has getting stronger. And in 2020, we reached the significant milestone of being listed on Kosdaq. In 2023, we introduced differentiated products, dental unit chair called Luvis Chair, expanding our portfolio beyond dental into the medical field. Furthermore, our core products have passed the strict certification processes in major export countries, including FDA approval in the US, CE certification in Europe, and NMPA approval in China, proving Dentis' technology and reliability in the global market. Dentis is preparing for another leap forward by breaking ground on a new smart factory equipped with the latest technology and starting full-scale operations. Starting in 2005 as a dental implant manufacturer, Dentis has grown with its diversified business portfolio. Today, we provide innovative medical solutions for both of the dental and medical fields, including dental implants, biomaterials, digital dentistry solutions, dental equipment, LED surgical lights, and operating room solutions. Since its founding, Dentis has maintained a strong growth rate, recording an average annual revenue growth of 20%. Currently, Dentis holds 173 patents through independent research and development, and is conducting future dental and medical solution research at 2 research institutes and 6 laboratories. Dentis is having business with 80 countries worldwide, accelerating its growth as a global company. Dentis has established 8 overseas corporations and is cooperating with over 100 partner companies to further solidify its position in the global market. The world is changing rapidly. With the advent of an aging society, the demand for dental treatment and medical services continues to rise, opening the door to new opportunities. Life and humanity. In response to a changing world, Dentis is pioneering new technologies and fields to bring new light and life to both patients and healthcare professionals. Dentis will continue walking into the future with you, just as we have over the past 20 years.